Today we are going to learn about mastering Jenkins for C/CD pipelines. We'll explore how to set up and configure Jenkins for efficient and reliable software deployments.
Welcome to our video on mastering Jenkins for C/CD pipelines. Jenkins is an open-source automation server written in Java, which enables developers to build, test, and deploy their software reliably and efficiently. In the world of continuous integration and continuous delivery, C/CD, Jenkins plays a pivotal role by automating the parts of software development related to building, testing, and deployment. Today, we will explore how Jenkins can be integrated into your development workflow, enhancing the efficiency and reliability of your deployments. By the end of this session, you will have a clear understanding of Jenkins' core components and how it can be a game changer in automating your software delivery process.
Now that you understand the importance of Jenkins, let's dive into the installation process. Jenkins can be installed on various platforms including Windows, macOS, and Linux. Before installation, ensure you have Java installed on your system as Jenkins runs on Java. On Windows, download the Jenkins .war file and run it using the command prompt. For macOS, you can use Homebrew by running the command brew install Jenkins LTS. On Linux, Jenkins can be installed using package managers like apt or yum, depending on your distribution. After installation, Jenkins will be accessible through your web browser at http://localhost:8080. Make sure to follow the initial setup wizard to unlock Jenkins using the generated password. This process is crucial as it configures Jenkins for the first time with recommended settings. Plugins are an integral part of Jenkins, providing it with enhanced functionality and customization options. Jenkins has a vibrant ecosystem of plugins that extend its capabilities to meet diverse project needs. To install a plugin, navigate to the Jenkins dashboard, click on Manage Jenkins, and then Manage Plugins. Here, you can see a list of available plugins. Some popular plugins include Git plugin for version control integration, Pipeline for creating Jenkins pipelines, and Docker plugin for integrating with Docker containers. Regularly check for plugin updates to ensure they are up to date with the latest features and security patches. Plugins allow you to tailor Jenkins to fit the specific requirements of your projects, making it a versatile tool in your C/CD toolkit. With Jenkins installed and plugins configured, let's set up a simple Jenkins job. In Jenkins, a job is a task that you want Jenkins to execute, such as building a project. To create a new job, go to the Jenkins dashboard and click New Item. Enter a name for your job and select Freestyle Project. In the job configuration page, you can specify various settings such as source code management, build triggers, and build steps. For example, if you're using Git, configure the repository URL in the source code management section. Under Build Triggers, you can set up automatic builds based on changes in your version control system. In Build, define the steps Jenkins should execute, like running a shell script. Once configured, save the job and click Build Now to execute it. Monitor the build progress in the Build History section. Setting up a simple Jenkins job is a great way to get hands-on experience with Jenkins and understand its potential in automating tasks. Version control is a crucial part of the software development lifecycle, and Jenkins can seamlessly integrate with various version control systems such as Git, SVN, and Mercurial. This integration allows Jenkins to automatically trigger builds whenever changes are committed to the repository. To configure version control in Jenkins, go to your job configuration page, and in the source code management section, select the relevant version control system. For example, if you're using Git, you'll need to enter the repository URL and any necessary credentials. Jenkins can also integrate with platforms like GitHub and Bitbucket using webhooks to trigger builds. This automation streamlines the development process, ensuring that your builds are consistently up to date with the latest changes in the codebase. Jenkins pipelines are a powerful way to automate complex build and deployment processes. A pipeline is defined using a Jenkins file, which is a text file containing the definition of the pipeline stages written in Groovy syntax. To create a pipeline, start by creating a new Jenkins job and selecting Pipeline as the job type. In the Pipeline section, you can either define your pipeline script directly or reference a Jenkins file in your version control repository. Pipelines consist of multiple stages, such as build, test, and deploy, each containing a series of steps. This modular structure makes it easy to manage and scale your automation processes. Once your pipeline is set up, Jenkins automatically executes each stage and provides detailed logs and visualizations of the execution process. Pipelines make Jenkins a robust tool for automating C/CD workflows, reducing manual interventions, and increasing deployment reliability.
Security is a critical aspect when using Jenkins, as it often handles sensitive information such as credentials and source code. To secure your Jenkins server, start by configuring user permissions. Jenkins supports role-based access control, allowing you to assign different permissions to different users or groups. Always secure Jenkins with HTTPS to encrypt data in transit. You can do this by configuring SSL certificates in Jenkins server settings. It's also essential to manage credentials safely by using Jenkins Credentials Management System, which encrypts and stores sensitive information securely. Regularly perform security audits of your Jenkins setup to identify and mitigate potential vulnerabilities. Implementing these best practices will help you maintain a secure Jenkins environment, protecting your workflow from unauthorized access and data breaches.
Despite its robustness, Jenkins can encounter various issues that might hinder your C/CD processes. Common issues include build failures, plugin conflicts, and performance bottlenecks. To troubleshoot these issues, start by analyzing Jenkins logs, which provide detailed information about the server's operations and errors. Logs can be accessed from the Jenkins dashboard under Manage Jenkins and System Log. If you're facing plugin conflicts, check for compatibility issues between different plugins and ensure all plugins are updated. For build failures, review the console output of the failed build to identify the error message and its root cause. Sometimes, optimizing Jenkins performance might involve increasing system resources or tuning Jenkins configuration settings. By systematically troubleshooting these common issues, you can ensure a smooth operation of your Jenkins server and maintain an efficient C/CD pipeline.
In conclusion, mastering Jenkins for C/CD pipelines involves understanding its installation, configuration, and integration with various systems. Jenkins is an invaluable tool in automating software delivery processes, improving efficiency and reliability. By following best practices for security and troubleshooting, you can maintain a robust Jenkins environment. Continuous learning and adaptation are key to mastering Jenkins, as the tool and its ecosystem are constantly evolving. We hope this video has provided you with the knowledge and skills to effectively integrate Jenkins into your deployment workflow. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to seeing how you leverage Jenkins in your projects.